Life never pauses. Every day throws something at us: stress, chaos, misunderstandings, heartbreak, or disappointment. We ask ourselves, is there a way to live with calm, strength, and peace? Yes, and that way was discovered thousands of years ago. The Stoics believe that peace begins the moment we separate what we can control from what we can't. You can't control other people's behavior, the weather, death, most events in the world, but you can control your attitude, your response, your decisions. Epictetus, a famous Stoic, said, "We suffer not from events, but from our judgment about them." In real life, you can't control if someone disrespects you, but you can choose to respond with calm. You can't control the outcome of an exam, but you can control your preparation. The first rule of Stoicism: focus only on what's in your power. Let go of the rest. Part 2. Virtue. What's the real definition of success? 7 to 9 minutes. Narrator. In a world obsessed with fame and money, Stoics had a simple definition of success: being a good person. Part 3. Memento Mori. Remember, you will die. 6 to 7 minutes. Narrator. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Memento Mori means, remember, you will die. It sounds dark, but it's powerful. Why? Because it reminds us that our time is limited, and that gives every moment. Part 4. Premeditatio Malorum. Prepare for the worst. 7 to 8 minutes. Narrator. Stoics didn't just hope for the best. They prepared for the worst. They practiced a technique called Premeditatio Malorum, the premeditation of misfortune. They asked themselves, what could go wrong today? And how will I respond with wisdom if it does? This mindset helped them stay calm under pressure, avoid shock or panic, respond with strength and grace. Modern world teaches positive thinking. Stoics believed in realistic thinking, facing reality and preparing your mind in advance. When you do that, fear loses its power because you're ready. Part 5. Apatheia. Mastering your emotions. 7 minutes. Narrator. Stoics never said, don't feel anything, but they said, don't let your emotions control you. Part 6. Live in harmony with nature. 6 to 7 minutes. Narrator. Nature changes constantly. So does life. The Stoics believed, if you fight the natural flow of life, you suffer. You must learn to accept. People change. Things break. Death comes. Time moves on. Life is not unfair. It just is. The Stoics advised living in harmony with nature by being present, accepting impermanence, doing your duty with sincerity. Seneca wrote, fate leads the willing and drags the unwilling. So choose to flow, not resist. Part 7. Gratitude. The hidden power of thankfulness. 6 minutes. Narrator. In a world of desire and dissatisfaction, Stoics found peace through one simple practice: gratitude. Every morning, they reminded themselves, what do I already have that I never want to lose? Your breath, your sight, a friend who listens, a lesson from pain. Gratitude grounds you. It pulls you out of anxiety and brings you into the present. Instead of chasing more, you begin to appreciate enough. Marcus Aurelius wrote, do not indulge in dreams of having what you have not, but reckon up the chief of the blessings you do possess. So, do you want more peace? More strength? More clarity? Then start living like a Stoic. Know what's in your control. Build virtue, not ego. Remember, life is short. Prepare for hardship. Master your emotions. Accept nature's flow. Be deeply grateful. This is not just a philosophy, it's a way of life. Live it, and you may never see the world the same again.